quite early this morning, but I wanted to be here right in that moment when the day starts. It's getting really hot these days. The summer it's already here. It's something very usual to have over 30 degrees during the day, and the ASP, I hope that they will eat better in the morning. Today I just took with me my two setups for the ASP. I don't have that much time, about 2 hour and 10 minutes perhaps. It's all that I have for fishing. I will start my fishing session here, and according to what will happen here, I'll see if I will change the spot or if I stay here. So guys, just bear with me and hope to show you some nice ass today. Okay, the water level looks okay. Yep, yeah. Whoa, that was a nice first cast, and I also think that it will be quite a nice asp. Whoa. This is a big one. This will be a big asp. I'm quite sure about that. I even have my doubts if this is an asp or a catfish, you know? I'm quite sure that it will be a catfish. Yeah, that's a catfish. It's not an asp. But anyhow, it's a good way to start the day. Come on here, man. I don't want to spook all my fish from there. Come on here, man. Come on. You'll be free in a few minutes. In a few seconds. Come on, just open your mouth. Here we go. Thanks a lot. It was the perfect first cast. Here we go. Yep. Oh, this guy hit my lure, but it's fault hooked. Yeah, because this is not an ASP. Yeah, no. Yeah, no way. Such a nice hit. Whew. Yeah. That was a nice hit. I was just retrieving my lure close to the bottom, making some jumps, even though in that area the water is very shallow, and with this setup the hits are just insane. It's a very stiff road, it has a crispy feeling, and any hit, it's just, yeah. And that's a nice ASP too, you know. Come on here, man. Here we go. This guy just looks amazing. Thanks a lot, man. Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah, no, what a hit was that. Yeah. No way. Hit it on the drop. Okay, now I decided that I need to change the lure because I don't know what Salmo is doing, but look at this. Look at this and have a look at this. I don't have any idea what's happening, but Salmo, you need to change something. I've been fishing with your lures for more than perhaps 20 years, and I didn't have the same problems that I'm having right now. I've been fishing with this lure just today. I brought 5 of them from a very big shop from Poland, so they are not fake. I'm 100% sure about that. And from 5, 3 of them looks like this. Okay, and this is not okay, not okay at all. I have this guy, for example. I think that he's having at least 10 years, if not more. Okay, it looks like crap, but caught a couple of hundreds of asp, some catfish too. This guy again, okay, is peeling in here, but he's having more than 10 years. These guys instead, I don't think that they have a month. Okay, and especially this one, I started to fish it this morning. His first fish was that catfish, and that's all. So I will just try to change the hooks, because in this case I broke some of them, and then I will continue fishing with this guy. So please, Salmo, just do something, because this is not okay at all, not at all. Yeah! No, this is not an asp. This is one of those crazy mullets, and it's fault hooked. Yeah. I think that I'll just use the net, because otherwise this guy will break my line. And as you already saw, I don't have that many Salmo trills that are... Oh, that was close. Here we go, man. Whoa! That was a nice one too. I think that it will be quite a small one, but just took the lure immediately after it touched the water. Now let's see. I don't think that it will be that small. Yeah. Without any doubt, smaller than the first one. But it's always a lot of fun to catch the asp. Such nice one. Thanks a lot. Whoa! That was a nice hit too. The asp in the summer, it's just... they are just crazy. And this guy, it's even smaller. Here we go. So healthy, so good looking. Thanks a lot, man. Are you ready? This is the last cast from today. My session is over. My 2 hours are off, so right now I have to leave. I have to drive about an hour and then I will start working, so it's time to leave. It was a great session. I'm more than happy that I came here. It was great from beginning to the end. So yeah, it was, let's say that it was perfect. Hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do, just subscribe to this channel, drop me a message, and like the video. See you guys next time. Cheers, cheers.